Did you know your brain goes through 5 distinct eras of development, each with its own special mission? It's a journey that lasts a lifetime, and it all starts at birth. First up is childhood, from birth to age 9. Think of this as the brain's big networking event. Connections are forming everywhere, a process called synaptogenesis. But it's not just about adding, it's also about smart editing. The brain starts pruning away the connections it doesn't need, making the whole system more efficient. This is when the outer layer, the cortex, reaches its maximum thickness. Next, we enter adolescence, which surprisingly extends from age 9 all the way to 32. This is the peak of refinement. Your brain isn't just growing anymore, it's getting smarter and faster. Neural efficiency hits its absolute zenith. This is when your brain is at its most powerful for learning the skills, problem solving, and adapting to new situations. Then comes adulthood, from 32 to 66. This is the era of stability. The brain's fundamental architecture has settled. It's like a well-organized company where different departments, or brain regions, are highly specialized and compartmentalized. Things run smoothly and predictably. This is the brain in its prime, executing tasks with practiced ease. As we move into early aging, from 66 to 83, a new phase begins, reorganization. The white matter, which acts like the brain's internet cables, starts to show some wear and tear. But the brain is incredibly resourceful. It begins to reorganize its networks to compensate, finding new pathways to get the job done. Finally, in late aging, from 83 onwards, there's another shift. As some of the long-range, global connections weaken, the brain cleverly adapts by strengthening local connectivity. It focuses on communication between neighboring areas, maintaining function by keeping things close to home. So, how does all this happen? It's down to 5 key cellular mechanics. Neurogenesis is the birth of new brain cells. Migration is these cells traveling to their final destinations. Differentiation is where they specialize into their unique roles. Synaptogenesis is the creation of connections, while apoptosis is the programmed pruning of unused ones. And finally, myelination wraps these connections in a fatty sheath, like insulating a wire, to make signals travel super fast. From a buzzing network of possibilities in childhood to a wise, reorganized system in our later years, our brain is constantly changing and adapting. It's an incredible, lifelong construction project happening inside our heads.